Yes, good morning. Good morning to all my students of Karnataka as well as Andhra. Dear students, today you are going to learn an important topic regarding pronouns. We learned personal pronouns very well, and then its related pronouns, and in the last class we learned demonstrative pronouns: this, these, that, those, and such. You might have understood such is very important in competitive exams. Today's topic, let us enter without wasting any time. Time is money. Time is precious than anything. So, please get ready with your notebooks and observe very keenly. Look at the board and observe the heading first. The heading denotes the topic. What is pronouns distributive? In the last class, demonstrative. Today, distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns are used generally to distribute something to someone. So on your school day or college day, the principal distributes prizes to the winners. Each of the winners, you see, each of the winners receives prizes. Either of the girls has received the first and second prize. Neither of the boys was good at English. Neither of the boys. So each, either, neither. These three are used as distributive pronouns. Now, the distributive pronouns, what are they? What are they? You see, number one, each. Number two, either. Number three, neither. Each, either, neither. How to use each? How to use either? How to use neither? That is very important. You see, each, either, neither. Each denotes everyone from many. Everyone from many. There are 100. There are 100 students. Each of the students. So, each denotes everyone from how many? 100 or 200 or 5 or 10. 1 from 10, 1 from 5, but not 1 from 2. Be careful. To use each, there must be at least 3 or more. For 2, we should not use each. So, everyone from many, not two. Many means 3 to 100, 1000, 10,000, like that. And either denotes one. From how many? Only two. So, either denotes one from the two, only two. Either of the two openers, either of the two sisters, either of the two bowlers, there two may not be used. Either of the batsmen means any one of the two. Either of the bowlers means any one of the two. Either of the heroes means any one of the two. Be careful. So, either denotes one from the two. Neither. Either opposite, neither. Either refers to. Neither also refers to. But any one from the two. But we use neither. No one. ఇద్దరిలో ఏ ఒక్కరు కాదు. అర్థ ఆಯ್ತಾ? ఇబ్బರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವೊಬ್ಬರು ಅಲ್ಲ. either means ఇబ్బರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವನೋ ಒಬ್ಬನು. You see, either means ఇద్దరిలో ఒక్కరు సింగులరా ప్లూరలా? సింగులర్ సబ్జెక్ట్. There is some confusion. That's why important. When there is some confusion in using grammar points, grammar rules, they ask. So, either denotes one from the two, neither denotes no one from the two. No one. How to use them in a sentence? How to use them in a sentence? When each, either, neither used as subject and of, and of, and plural noun, that is boys or girls, plural noun. But use singular verb. The verb is not referring the noun, plural noun. The verb is referring one among many. So when subject, each used as subject, either used as subject, neither used as subject, plus of, and plural noun, not singular noun. Each of the boys, either of the girls, neither of the players. Plural verb, plural noun, but singular verb. This is important. Plural noun, singular verb, not plural verb. You see here. So, use is, was, has, V1 plus yes or es. These are all singular verbs. So, when we use each or either or neither, what verb must be used? Is, was, has, V1 plus yes or es, as follows. Now, first use of. Each of, either of, neither of, plus plural noun, Here plural noun is not the subject. From plural noun only one. Each means only one. Neither means only one. Neither means not even one. So plural noun, singular verb, not plural verb. That is, don't use. Use is, was, has, V1 plus S or ES. Don't use or, don't use were, don't use have, don't use only V1. Only V1. Now, first, using each. First example, each plus of. Each of the players. This is plural noun. But here don't use or. Is. Each of the players is good at batting. Is good at batting. So used is, not or. Each of the teachers has. So here not or. Here has. Not have. Each of the bowlers performs right. Don't use perform. Add yes. You see, observe, when we use each as the subject and the plural noun, here plural noun refers 3, 5, 10, 100, 1000 like that. But not two. Each of the players is good at batting. That means all the players. But we each refers one from all. Each of the teachers. That means one from all the teachers. Each of the teachers means one from all the teachers has computer knowledge. Each of the bowlers. That is one from the bowlers performs, not perform, well in T20 matches. So students, be careful. This is very, very, very important. In any public exams, in any competitive exams. What are they? Distributive pronouns. Distributive pronouns, what are they? Only 3. Students, remember, only 3. What are they? Each, either, neither. What is the first grammatical point? Use of. Each of, either of, neither of. So, each denotes everyone from many. Many means 100 or 1000. One from 100, one from 1000. Either denotes one from the two persons. Neither denotes no one, not even one from the 2. How to use them in a sentence? That is important. When each, either, neither used as subject, first add of. Don't forget. Each of, either of, neither of. Without of, it will be meaningless. So, add of and what is a noun? Not singular, plural. Each of the boys, each of the girls, each of the lecturers, each of the teachers. We can use for animals. Each of the elephants, each of the tigers, each of the birds, non-living things, each of the roads, each of the balls, each of the books, like that. So you use is, was, has, V1 plus This is important. V1 ಏನಾಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕ್ರಿ? ಎಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಎಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ. ವಿ ಕೇಮ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ ಎಸ್ ಗಾನಿ ಎಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಫಾಲೋಸ್. ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, each either neither plus of plus plural noun plus singular verb. Don't use or verb, have only V1. Now examples, each of the players is, not are. Each of the players is good at batting. Each of the teachers, not have, use has computer knowledge. Each of the bowlers performs well in T20 matches. So what is the formula? First, don't forget the formula. See, each, either, neither, subjects may be used as subjects. Immediately what we have to add? Of. We have to add of. Next, what noun? Not singular, plural noun. What verb? Not plural verb, singular verb. Don't use plural verbs or verb, have and V1. Only V1. Use what verbs? Is, was, has, V1 plus yes or yes. This is, errors will be given. So plural nouns must be there, singular verbs must be there. So in such case you are confused. So in place of plural nouns, singular noun is used. In place of singular verbs, plural verbs are used. Immediately you should know that it is wrong. There must be plural noun, there must be singular verbs. Okay. Let us continue after a small break.